Does your RV lock keypad look like this? Ours did too. Stick around and I'll show you how easy it can be to get it changed out. We love our RV lock. It makes it really easy to get in and out of the RV. After about a year and a half, we noticed that the numbers started peeling off on the keypad. We reached out to RV Lock on their social media channel, and we were so surprised to find that they were happy to replace the keypad for us. All we had to do was give them our address, and next thing we knew, it arrived in the mailbox. Looks brand new. Hey, thanks for watching this little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button, and please take a moment to subscribe so you can watch where we're going next.